Hello and welcome to Crypto News Base, your go-to source for all things crypto. Today, we're talking about a big announcement from XEN Crypto, a blockchain that's making waves in the crypto community. Founder Jack Levin recently announced that the XEN blockchain is going to unite the XEN communities of all 10 chains, putting Ethereum and others on a layer 2 level relative to X1 and making the XEN chain a layer 1 for parallel transaction execution and 1-second block speed. Before the mainnet launch, anyone burning XEN will be able to receive the X1 token for testing on the testnet, which will then become the X1 mainnet's coin. So, when can we expect to see the X1 chain launch? According to Mr. Levin, it's set to roll out in the first quarter of 2024. He's already started tests, and the testnet will be open to the public in a few months. What makes this launch unique is that it will start as Ethereum's testnet, where users will burn XEN tokens to receive X1 testnet tokens, which will then become the mainnet coins when the testing ends. So, what exactly is the X1 blockchain? X1 is a layer 1 chain that allocates the native X1 coin to users who have burned XEN tokens on other chains. Jack Levin described today's Web3 space as outdated and difficult to use and build on, which is why he's using Polygon Edge's open-source zero-knowledge proofs technology for scalability and lower transaction fees. With ZK proofs, transactions are batched into groups and relayed to the Ethereum network as a single bulk transaction, providing gas cost efficiency. The tests on the private testnet show that the transaction speed is 1,000 times faster than Ethereum, with a block time of 1 second and parallel processing, making X1 the fastest blockchain yet. When the X1 chain is launched, it will have atomic swaps with Stargate and the Uniswap decentralized multi-chain system for token trading. The X1 DevNet will be open for testing starting February 1st, and in April or May, a testnet for the larger community will be launched for network testing. Unlike other testnets, users will need to burn XEN on Ethereum and other chains to receive an X1 testnet token, which can be used as gas. When the testing is done and the chain is deemed secure and ready, it will become the mainnet. So, what's the X1 tokenomics like? X1 has a total supply of 1 billion coins, with plans to burn 50% of the total supply over time, making the coin deflationary. The other 50% of the supply will be distributed between venture capitals, the community, and the team, with the exact allocation partition to be determined. It's likely that 50% will be put up for auction for monthly rounds, 10 to 15% will go to accredited investors, and the rest the founding team for chain and ecosystem development. The public distribution will follow the NEX Reflection Token auction model, but it will last 36 months instead of 5 years, and the rounds will be monthly. Initially, the smart contract for burning XEN was meant to be deployed on all 10 chains, but Mr. Levin recently announced that they'll be looking at token distribution to decide which chains should be honored. Chains like OKX Chain and Dabe Chain have changed the rules of their chain, so users of these chains may need to move their tokens to another chain to burn them for X1. In conclusion, the X1 blockchain is set to make a big impact in the crypto world. Jack Levin's X1 blockchain project is an ambitious one, aimed at unifying the XEN Crypto communities of 10 chains and making X1 the new layer 1 for parallel transaction execution and 1-second block speed. With its use of ZK proofs technology and Aptos scaling features, X1 is poised to become the fastest blockchain to date, with 1,000 times faster transaction speeds than Ethereum. The X1 testnet will launch in February, and a larger community testnet is planned for April or May, with X1 mainnet launch planned for the first quarter of 2024. The X1 tokenomics are based on the successful BNB model, with 50% of the total supply to be burned over time and the remaining 50% to be distributed between venture capitals, the community, and the team. Overall, X1 is a project to watch in the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain, as it seeks to bring about a new era of scalability, speed, and decentralization in the Web3 space. So stay tuned for more updates from Crypto News Base as we keep you informed on the latest developments in the world of X1 and the XEN Crypto communities.